Welcome. We're having an orgasm right inside of each other, but it's alright. I'm joined by baby Bleach.
Hello, boys.
As
we can see, you have got the Christmas hooks.
Yay.
Which is free some hard grinding and totally not duplication.
Yeah. We didn't duplicate the Christmas hook. No, we did actually, but everything else is legitimate.
Because I'm a criminal.
He literally stole from my chest. But yeah,
you couldn't help it, mate. I couldn't help it. When I saw the bat wings, the bone wings, Christmas hook, mines,
everything, you just had to steal it.
Just the pine, whatever.
I got it off of an Christmas tree.
Yeah, he went into his lounge and got it off the Christmas tree.
Alright, so basically we're gonna show you this farm since it's completely amazing.
As you can see right here. It was made by me.
Baby Bleach didn't help at all. As you know.
Mate, like, I at least broke something and replaced it.
I can't move. Ow! Baby Bleach, it's alright.
I'm leaving you. Bye.
I'm having an orgasm.
Oh, I'm coming back. I'm coming back for some fun.
Doesn't work. My organs are going everywhere.
One thing that you can do with this Christmas hook is have really
So
big
basically
orgasms.
we've got the Scourge of the Corruptor, the Shadow Beam Staff, the Rainbow Gun, Mr. Glazer Rifle, Broken Hero Sword, Nimbus Rod, Spectre Staff, Razor Pine, PX Christmas Hook Contaminator, Naughty Presents, because you're naughty. Wait, go inside of each. What the heck? Why would you do that?
I was trying to blow you up.
I
was trying to blow
Oh,
you
I didn't
up.
notice that I wasn't dead. I thought you killed me.
I was trying to kill myself. I was trying to kill you, I mean. What? Why doesn't it work? Alright, we have to settle this, man. We have to turn PvP on.
Okay, I will.
We have to settle this once and for all. I tried the can't talk at the moment. I'm trying to kill you up. Kill you, I mean, like a bunch of times. Have you turned it on? Oh shit, yes you have. I wasn't ready. He wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready for this.
Oh my god, we have hardly any money. Yeah, I got you some money.
Did I have 200 platinum?
He does?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Remember when we started the fucking episode?
Excuse me?
When we started the episode, I had a bunch of
Oh,
platinum.
mate. That was language the kids don't want to hear.
How are you
Oh,
killing me this fast?
I'm awesome. Mate.
No, you're abomination to society.
How do you have full health already?
ISIS wouldn't even hire you. Because I'm a...
Ah! No! How did you kill me?
Yeah. I came from above.
So we'll pause the video here and we'll tell you when it's night time. We'll come back and we'll do the frost moon. Alright, see you in like a sec. Alright guys, so let's spawn it. Right now we're fighting the frost moon. We're going to activate our...
I'm going to...
Oh, we're up against the other screens. Alright.
Once we get to round 11, that's when we have to fight,
Ice Queen.
Ice Queen, yeah.
She does ice.
Because she's part of ISIS. We respect that, you know? Like, anyone a part of, like, anything
It's awesome.
is awesome enough.
Ah, shit! Except for that. Because it's part of the falling from the sky.
Just like in that black movie.
It's like 5 Nights at Freddy's. Oh, I got a lazy Christmas tree sword.
Listen, he just jumped just like black people do on a Friday. Look at it, Black Friday. Dude, they're coming in from
God, Jesus.
You just said
Ain't nobody gets down to that. It's Misha. Misha. I play Pokemon. Oh, he's back again. I play Pokemon Go. Oh my god, he just got wrecked. You wrecked him.
Oh shit, helicopters.
Call 911. Oh, you stupid ever scream.
Guys, I'm coming.
Oh, I got another razor pine.
Did you?
Yep. 90%, bro.
Oh my god, is it?
No, I've got Mystic. Yes.
Wait, have I got Mystic?
An erection.
Yeah, we got one of them.
We'll pause it here and we'll be
Until
back
we get
once
to
we
the
get
ice
up to
cream.
the Ice Queen.
Because this is boring shit. You don't want to listen to this.
See ya.
Do as much as I can.
Right, so we're up to the Ice Queen right here.
As you can see, we are getting our ass kicked.
Totally, mate.
Yeah, I'm almost about to die. I'm now gliding at an enormous rate. As you can see, my left wing has now disappeared. Oh no, I'm going down. I've got fire on my wings. No!
Man down.
It's all
This
right.
dude needs oxygen.
It's alright. I had a spare pack. I had a spare one in me Rari.
This dude had a
I'm
spare
going
pack of
under. I have
underpants.
2.5 hearts and I'm dead. It's time. I got slayed by a spiky ball. The only thing is,
How did you get
I went the
slayed
wrong-
by a
I
spiky
did
ball?
not know how I got slain by one. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments. But as you can see,
Hey,
like,
the snowball gun.
are you serious?
Legit.
Dude, we've been getting the best stuff. We've got like 2 razor pines off recording, and what was the other gun? What was the gun?
You just got it. See, it's like a snowball launcher.
No, what was the one where we got with that when we weren't recording?
Oh, the Christmas tree sword. Oh, the gaslet.
Yeah.
Chain gun.
Yeah, we got that and a Christmas tree sword, which we dumped all the razor pines in the Christmas tree sword. Because we already have the mystic ones.
Okay.
Did we defeat it or?
Yeah, we
got
killed
the rapid thing. Wait, what ammo does it take?
snowballs. You can make a bunch of snowballs. It does a fair chunk of damage as well.
I might buy a bunch.
Huh?
I'm gonna buy a bunch.
Yeah, from the arms dealer. See how good it is.
It's still recording.
Yep.
Yep. Well, we're gonna end it soon, so because we've defeated the thing, we've actually got some good stuff.
But, well, we might just pause it here so we can do another thing as well.
Yeah, so we can do something else. That will be pretty fun.
So yeah, we'll pause it right here and we'll be back at night time again. See ya. Alright guys, so we're back. Had a few technical difficulties, you know. But we've started on a little chest room to pass the time. And basically this is where all of our loot's gonna be going and all that. So I'm gonna dig about this loot back. Maybe that loot. Maybe bleach. This deep.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically what we want is to get the thing finished hopefully before nighttime. Not all the chests and stuff, but maybe like the actual fawn design. So do this. Right. Oh, whoops, we just went down. Now you're gonna blame Jumpy. The amazing tiny terror. You can leave it all with me. Or we need that there. Like that. Boom. Okay. No, we'll film this part in Mr. Great. Do you want film? I'll do it by myself. Alright, so we're gonna pause it here and we'll be back once we're up against the Ice Queen again. So see you. Alright guys, so we finally got up to the Ice Queen. It's been a while but we did it. That's the main thing. No, we just gotta wait for her to come over. Taking us. Chain gun. Oh no, oh, the first rain's over. Anyway guys, we'll end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.